I'm with Miguel Torres of Telefonica at Telecoms World Middle East. Miguel, you've taken part in one of the conference sessions here, and monetizing the digital demand is something that you guys are particularly battling with at the moment. How is Telefonica dealing with it?
Yes, Telefonica is quite ambitious in developing and launch these new services in the markets since we get profit of an internal development in conjunction with our partner Hewlett Packard. So we are quite proactive to let our customer know about the benefits this new service can provide for content provider, for corporate customer, and for carriers. So we firmly believe can provide new revenues and new, let's say, new objectives for the carriers, and at the same time be more efficient in terms of operating expenditure and, of course, improve the customer experience. At the end, CDN aim to improve the quality of content through internet and customer experience.
Yes, because obviously keeping customers is very important with such a competitive environment that you find yourself in all over the world.
Yeah, right. We are seeing very promising and very fast growing market in terms of demands. As technology is moving fast, people are demanding more services through the new devices, smartphones, so on and so forth. So CDN, new services in general, are the designed to cope with this demand, with this new demands, and of course be in the industry more proactive in bringing more value in general.
Yes, and CDN networks are obviously going to help operators like yourselves compete with these over-the-top providers.
Well, I wouldn't say we compete. At the end, I guess we should come into the same boat, as they said,
Yes.
and design a business model, develop the appropriate business model in order to keep sustainable growth in the industry. OTT are very important because these players are contributing into the industry with products, services, and the carriers in the middle between the OTT and the end user has to contribute as well, and all together. I will put all together, content provider, carriers, and end user work out the more appropriate business model in order to move on in the direction of using internet as an important means in the digital growth.
Now, you're here in Dubai at this event. Why is this event important to you, and what about Telefonica's view of the Middle East market?
Well, we see the Middle East market, a fast-growing market, with new players coming in thanks to the regulations in the main countries. So far, we see a lot of opportunities, not only be limited to the traditional voice business, for instance, but open new possibilities and challenges on the data sides, on CDNs, for instance. So for me, it was a good opportunity to make new contacts, new players, mobile operators, for instance, data providers that are interested to know about Telefonica products, Telefonica solutions. And we are happy. We are happy to keep working in the region and be closer to the region. I had the opportunity to arrange in 2 days some meetings with the new players, with the current customer, in order to consolidate the partnership we have with some of the traditional players in the region.
So you found Telecoms World Middle East a good opportunity to meet people.
Yes, of course. One of the main benefits is to be here on site, make appointment, and to find new people, even people that you met long ago and you see again. And yeah, start with the basis for further cooperation in the case of a new player, and as I said, with the current customer, to keep moving in the right direction in order to increase the partnership.
Okay, Miguel, well, thanks for giving us the Telefonica viewpoint.
Pleasure for me, thanks so much.